Page 43, melody. 3/4 times, so like in the key of G major, 1 sharp or up here. So your right hand starts out on the high G. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1 and a 2, 3. All those in one beat. 1 and a 2, 3, 1 and a 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's the tricky part of it. The left hand's just got primary chords for the most part. 1, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7, 4, 4 to me. So let's try this out. First and second endings. So we're going to do that first and second ending stuff. You remember how all that works? Yes, you do. I know you do. We've had it before. I'd like to point out a couple little maybe gotchas. A gotcha's a thing that'll get you if you're not watching out for them. They're tricky spots. You're starting out in the right hand up here at the beginning, and it's fine in this position until you get to the third or the last measure of the first line, and they want the third finger on the D, so you got to come down one. It's connected. So you're starting out up here, and it's all phrased. The phrase goes all the way across the first line, so it's all legato. We're connecting everything. So second measure. But then they want you to use your second finger again. Well, I can't connect that if I use the same finger. So it's like, I suggest you try this. You start, first measure is fine. It's got one note in it. Second measure, I suggest you put your thumb on the half note. Here, on the D. Thumb on it, and then you can cross over a second finger and you can connect it. Like so. So bring the thumb down for the A at the end. Then you can lift your hand up because we're at the end of a phrase. You're starting a new phrase. So I recommend that. Put the thumb on that half note D in the second measure. For the left hand, look at the second line. In the second measure, you have the 4 chord. And then you have this chord. If it's a problem for you to put your thumb on that black note, I encourage you to try it. But if it just isn't working because you got fat fingers and you can't slide in there, although there's no black key there, so you got a little more room. But if that simply isn't working for you, then you have to do that with 5, 3, 2. Now if you're going to do that, I suggest you finger the 4 chord, 5, 3, 1. So then you can go here, and then here. So, but again, if you can, finger it the way they're telling you to. I'll give us 3 counts. Let's see what we can do with it. Slowly. Bring out the right hand. So the right hand is here, the left hand, alright. Okay. 1, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, and a 1 and a 2, 3. 2. Repeat. 2. 2, 3. 2.